Yeah, I just got that. So then, so we just need all the bed beads, beds of roses, beds.
Is this enough?
Yeah, we have a lot here too.
Okay, yeah. That's a lot of time. Oh, sorry. Ito muna nga gawin natin or may mga kulay.
Doesn't matter. Whatever you
A
want.
rose, silver at gold.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. If there's a like that you can combine that color.
Okay, show me, Hannah.
So let's say I'm going to where's my scissor? Okay, I got it. So okay. So this one is oh my god, there's another one.
Oh, another what?
Another
Tape.
My goodness, all sides.
You know, just in case the beads were like, I know it's annoying. We just want to make sure it's safe, you know.
Stable.
Yeah.
My goodness. Okay, so now we have these colors. So let's say we want to do the flower, right?
Yeah.
This blue flower. So you can put it on white.
On blue?
No, in white pen.
I guess.
So you take this off, the top one,
Mm-hmm.
but make sure you locked it.
Okay.
Good. Okay. So you can put this color first or white first, like that, and then this one. So you look if it's good color combination. I guess it's good color combination. Yeah.
Yeah.
See. And then-
Can I ask if I'm not sure?
Yeah. So you lock it like that. Make sure it's not gonna see until it's locked good. Yeah, good one. Good color. Okay. So yep.
Let's start now.
And there's another piece here. So yep.
Very nice.
So it's here.
Yeah, because there's green. I don't think there's.
Or we can make this one.
Coffee.
Yeah, of color.
There's some beads.
It's okay. I can put it back here. So what color I'm gonna choose?
No.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm just showing you. Wait, don't.
Hmm?
Is this okay? Wait. Yeah. No.
Looking for in the middle of it. Hmm. I think it's good. Or I
Yeah,
can
is
do
this good?
Hmm? Yeah, good color. Show it to the
It's what I made first.
good.
Like close.
Yeah. Very nice. I'm not sure about this one.
Yeah, me neither. Like it's just too turquoise.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, it's not good. I know. See, I told you it's hard to combine colors. Oh, goodness. Ay, ay, ay. Maybe like this.
Hindi kayo napapawisan.
You wanna turn on the fan?
No, I mean, natanong ko lang po kasi may...
Yeah, turn on the fan.
Hindi kayo.
Not really.
Hmm.
But you can turn on the fan.
No, napawisan ng...
Yung kamay mo.
Ano po?
Eh, ganun naman talaga yung kamay mo. But you can turn on the fan if you want. No big deal. This is the hardest part doing this. To put all the colors. Yeah, it's hard. Maybe we make kitchen. Dang it. It's hard. Try this one. Ay, ay, ay. Ano bang pangalan na 4 letters lang? Dina, no?
Dina?
Di na natuto.
Sorry
Di-
for Dinas out there.
Di na natuto.
Who?
Di na natuto.
Who's that? No.
N. I can find the N.
Tina.
Z. Dina.
There's Tina.
This one is N, I guess. So, maybe color blue na A. Kulang-kulang din tayo sa ano eh. Dito.
Saan?
Dito sa ano.
Letter?
Mm-mm. Kasi walang A.
That's weird.
Ayan. May A pero black. I don't like the black one. I'm
Mm.
looking for blue one. Ay, karamba. So, how about blue na I? Okay. Now, I change this one. Good.
Here's another pen. Lalagyan ko po dito. Pwede akong gumawa ng isa pang same thing.
Yeah. Gina.
Apat na letters na. Mali.
Or I can make candy. Maybe kasha 5. Let's try. For 5 letters. Let's see. C. A. N. D. Y. What color am I? Purple. Peach. Green. Blue.
Ay, naku.
4 colors lang pala to eh. So it doesn't matter. Ano?
Try ko lang tanggalin ito.
Need help?
Ang galing niya po ito.
Yun lang. Pag ano, madaling matanggal.
Okay na po, me.
Candy.
Kasya pa.
But it doesn't look good.
The color or...
Nope. Pag all ano siya, all letters, it's not good. Siguro kung initial lang. It's only initial. Pangit na initial ko eh. CR, mabanto. CR. Candy ang Mercury.
C-E.
CR. Or
C-A.
CAR.
C-E.
Doesn't matter.
Car.
But CR actually. Ay, naku.
Initial din, di ba yung ano niya? Simula sa A.
Initial, yung una, no letter ng pangalan mo at yung unang letter ng apelyido.
Okay. I made the same thing again.
Simple naman.
Ha? No. There's no. There's no.
There is no. Ah.
Oh, my green leaf. I'm not sure it's gonna fit here on the. Maybe. Where it's gonna fit. Yeah, I think so.
Jervis.
What? What?
Hindi pang ano na lang to, pang keychain.
This one. It's up to you. It can be from keychain fan, right? Okay. Matcha. Oh, matcha. I forgot to straighten this out.
Pangit. Sobrang pink. Masyadong mamink-mink.
What are you saying? What does that mean?
Pink.
Oh, okay.
Pink.
Mamik-mik pala. Okay.
Ay, naku, kahirap. Kahirap. Ano. Kahirap ng color combination. Tingin ko okay naman to. Diba?
I don't know. In my opinion, that's
Parang hindi siya maganda.
maybe dito. Oh, is it gonna fit there like that pink, but like bright pink on this? Oh wait, is there gonna be more here? No, this is like rose, hot pink. Oh,
Ay,
there's
Mm.
purple, like purple, lilac.
Hirapan na. Ay, naku. Ano kaya? Ganda rin yan.
Matcha color.
Mm.
It reminds me of matcha.
How about this one?
Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Dragon fruit. Maybe. Here, matcha color.
Matcha.
Matcha. It's good.
Anak ng matcha.
Matcha's good.
Ng matcha.
Anak na matcha.
Matcha. Oh, tingin ko ganda rin ito.
What's that? Yeah, pink. Yeah.
Anak ng matcha naman kayo.
You're like,
Anak ng matcha naman kayo.
anak ng Pasig. Anak ng matcha. Kanta. I don't know. Can I,
Ano?
like, it's the same thing. Can I mean, we're gonna make the exact same thing, right? Like with the collar.
Pwede mong palitan ng iba. Kumbaga, try to make, to create different one. But
I mean, I did the exact same
you
thing
can
with
just
the pink.
change like, yeah. See like this. Nye!
You,
Pwede naman.
What do you mean?
Pwede naman. Hala.
I
Go,
mean,
go, go.
You never know. Someone
Go,
may,
go sa go.
Maybe someone will like the exact same thing, right?
Go, go sa go.
Right?
I think this one is good too.
Yellow. Yeah, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
So this one. Mm.
Wow. Wow. Okay, balikan natin ang position.
Position.
I mean, I'm trying to straighten this out. Oh, it's already straight. Never mind.
Wait.
No. Ito may, pero
Yeah.
may ano lang.
That's good.
Sorry. I'll try brown this time. Brown.
Brown.
Brown. Brown. Oh, okay. Aha, aha, aha.
Okay naman to. Diba?
Wanna show it to the audience, Mom? It's blue.
Or kailangan kong ilipat to dito. Yung balls.
I
mean the
don't-
ball.
I don't say anything. Yeah,
Okay
maybe.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Or I can change different one. Wait.
It's up to you. You think it's fitting, you know?
Or this one. Oh, yeah. Maybe better this one.
Oh, unless they want it.
I don't care about If they order, yes. I do care.
You should care because they
I
meant,
will care.
oh,
Oh, it's better. I think. In my opinion. Yeah? Better? Or yung isa ang better? Kanina.
I'm not sure.
I think this one is
Like,
better.
The the ball in the middle.
I think it's better. It's a good combination, is it? No? Or green? Let's see. Parang mas gusto ko. Huh? Lalong nagulo. Yung una na lang. My
It's
first
not
choice. Yeah, my first choice. Ay, nako. Tapos, pinks. Pinks. Ba't tayo nagawan silver?
White.
Try ko may silver.
Yeah, like, I guess you can try white with that.
Silver. This one. And then this one. And then this one. Wala. No.
Bah. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
That's perfect. The color.
Siya may sabi.
I mean, you might like it. Wait.
Ay, karamba. Ay, naku, ang pangit.
What is?
Parang sapuhang.
Yeah.
Oh, we can try this one.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's good.
See? Look.
Sino kang kausap mo dyan?
You said you're gonna make a video, right? And we can talk to them even though they don't know we're recording. See, guys, look. Hey, we're going to talk to them.
Ang gulo niya. Ay, naku.
Nice blue.
Aka na yan.
You want this?
Yan. Ito ang pag-isipan ng galang na.
Diyan, pakad.
See? I have an idea.
Yeah.
See? Meron pa dito ko na. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Wala kang entry.
Entry?
Entry.
What's that? Entry for what?
Sa kapuhangan. Ay. Ano ba to? Dapat another one. And then that one. Ay, sobra naman. Ay, nako. Ang gulo. Hirap.
Ew. Is there any corner somewhere to this? Maybe a different color might.
Okay lang, hindi masarahan puno. Ay, nako. I think this one. OC, OC, OC. Huh. OC.
I'm not sure about this, Mom.
It's okay. It's good. Unique.
Para sa puhang. Yo.
Ay, nako. Ano ba?
Nakuha na tayo.
Sinasabi. Ay, nako. Kahirap mag-combine ng color. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, karamba. Sino na mga gawin ko? Napakahirap mag-combine ng Polarski. Ano ka? Sinong kalaban? Sinong kalaban mo dyan?
Let me concentrate, Ma.
Hindi siya maganda. Hindi maganda.
Hindi niya nitry yung kape?
Ay, maganda. Wow.
Wait lang.
Maganda.
No. Baka lagyan niyo ng brown.
Ay, naku.
May pakitulong po. Pakipatay lang po ng ano, ng Ayaw papantay yung
Hmm?
inatry ko lang pong pantayin ito.
Pantay niya.
Thank you.
Ay, naku. Tamain na natin ito.
Bakit?
Ang kahirap. Saka wala na tayo ng pang-design na beads. Ito mahirap. Hindi ko ma... Hindi.
Let me try it.
Hindi maganda. Ayun. Ay, naku. Pag umutot ako dito, ginig sa video.
You don't need to mention that. Well,
Maririnig din naman.
huh?
Ay, naku. Nautot ako eh.
I don't hear it.
Hindi pa ako nautot, nauutot pa lang. Tinatanong kita pag ba umutot ako rinig sa video. Parang ang gulo ng kombinasyon nito. Ang gulo. Push a trip. Parang mas maganda siyang ganyan. Ito. Try natin. Parang pangit siya. Makita. Mas maganda siyang part na yun. Hindi po ito. Maganda ako lang siya. Uutot talaga ako. Ay. Okay ba?
Don't say that.
Parang okay naman, di ba?
Opo.
Or, palitan ko. Ay, bababa ko yung bangs ito nilalagay ko sa ano. Okay naman. Ano? Pumangit. Mas okay lang kami. Or, I can put this one. Or this. Tinatari. Tinatari. Utot. Itatay na.
Stop yung recording. Ba't kailangan niyo pa pong sabihin? Kailangan niyo pa pong sabihin.
Reiko. Ito nga no. Hayaan mo siya.
I don't know, it's kind of weird.
Reiko. Ay. Kahirap na mainagaw katapos. Pwede. Tapusin na muna natin dito. Reiko.
Push kaya natin ito.
Hindi na. Diretso na. Sayang pigilan. Para sa ekonomiya. Para sa ekonomiya.
Oo.
Ang pangit. Hindi na talaga maganda rin. Ano ito? Maganda ba? Maganda ba? Hindi ano. Pangit. Ay, naku. Tama na ito. Tama na ito. Ay, last na ito sa akin ito. Ano lang. Paayusin ko na ito. Hindi ko na. Ay, naku. Sorry po. Sorry, sino kausap mo dun?
Sabi niya, pa man gagawa ng video, pwede naman kayo magsalita.
Oh,
Naman.
medyo pala.
Ano ka masabi?
Tapos pag next time, agawin natin yung caging. Ay! Lumampas. Kuha ka pa ng beads. Basura. 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 Dalawa pala dyan. Sa uli ko kaya rin. Magagamit yun. Dahil not enough. Hindi. Parang hindi siya magandang mas maganda pang kumuha ng beads na bilog.
Na ano?
Bilog. Mga ganyan.
Maganda din ito.
Yeah, pwede rin. May ibang kulay nito. Kaysa yung hindi magamit. O pwede sa ano. Depende.
Ay, patay. Tawag dito, pag apat, hindi maano, tinga.
Hindi naman ganyan ang pag ano eh.
Paano?
Akala
ko pang ganito. Okay po yan.
Oo.
Oo.
Bilisan mo na at ako'y
Sorry po.
Okay, bye!
Bye! Sorry po, Don.